Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomgquba. Ndithetha isiXhosa ke mna, ke sazi isiXhosa? Botani bantu bomgquba, igama lam ndinguSilindile wakwaLufele uMampinga, umbhalo kaqosha. Into omntwana ingabe noba uyifuna abantwana ifuna abadala. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Sli. Guys, ndizawumane ndisitsho kuni ndisithi andinawo amazwi amaninzi okunibulela indlela enindixhasa ngayo kuzo zonke izinto endizenzayo. You always there for me, and namhlanje ngihleli nabo Bootcloaks ngenxa yokuthi Unscramble Life niyayiqhuquzela okokoko. Bootcloaks, I will assume ukuthi igama lakho nguluhlohonolo. Okay, ngicela ubulise ababukeli kuqala.
Okay, dumelang kaofela, ka lebitso ke Lehlohonolo Matlala. Then my stage name is Hlokste Drama. Then slang Hlokste Drama, mshimana mropa mshimana tak mshimana tese, aksio tese ke wet, aksio wet ke dry.
Why you sound like batho ba Kopitori? Okay. So, uipitsa ka mshimani o tese.
O tese.
Yeah. I love that. Cloaks. Kunento eyangidisturba ne. But sizongena kuyo. Who's Cloaks? Where were you born?
Obviously Para.
Ungathi obviously thina abanye sizalelwa ngeBhara.
Oh, angizalelwe ePara mara I'm from Meadowlands, Zone 7.
Okay. Ulapho ukhulele khona.
Yeah, ilapho ngikhulele khona.
And then how was the ama-dynamics ekhaya ekukhuleni kwakho, family structures njani?
Mina ngikhule eGrand.
Khule nomama nobaba?
No.
Okay.
Khulisa umama.
Okay. Ukhula nomama. My siblings, do you have siblings?
I'm only one.
Mama mara nawe chomi. Yawo nikho esibiza ngomfana odese. Yabo yikho afaka ama-KUA ngoba uyi-1. Befanele ushaya abantwana abayi-15. Makacela into umtshela ukuthi uzoyithola after 3 months.
Yangithi mina ngizoletha 15. Yabazulu.
I love that, man. How was it for wena umfana odese, umfana omnyama? Ukhulela kokasi. I mean, thina ekukhuleni kwethu sikhule when you are dark skinned bayagwara. Mau light skinned, like now they used to call me a pink pig. Abona bampitsa ka letata. How was it for you ule mushimani kokasi?
Mina ngikhule kamnandi yazi. Uthi no ya go kwagana ke ntshwele nteng o biase. Re ba shimane nka squat-e. Ka squat-e go kwagana go teng. Yeah, mangikhule sharp ngoba nami ngiyakwagana.
So izange wena ikuphathe kabi indaba okugwarana ubufila ukuthi that's how it should be. Ma umuntu wasekasi, it's a significant thing ukuthi fanele nilanzane vele.
Yeah, na besides re ba shimane nyoku chest phela.
Ebatong. So when do you believe in this thing ya gore mawi outi akufanele ngithatha izinto personal?
Yeah. Mara unless vele lo muntu loyo ubonthwe personal vele straight.
So you believe in this thing ya gore indoda ayikhali?
Ayi mele khale sometimes yazi.
Okay.
Yeah, ayi.
Go ngata.
Go ngata hey. Ayi yonthwe indoda ayikhali.
Phela thina sikhule kusho ukuthi indoda ayikhali.
Yeah, mele khali.
Yeah.
Ewanyanyana.
Ne once in a blue moon ne. Do you believe in love, Cloaks?
Yeah.
What's your love language?
The thing is kumela mangazi. Eish. Angikho sure nami.
Hayibo.
Mina ngaba ne flu yazi.
Evathum.
Serious.
Like, what do you mean when you say, okay, let's say mina ngi-girlfriend yakho. Izinto onga-appreciate ukuthi ngikwenzele zona ezokumeltisa inhliziyo.
Kunginakekela nje.
How? Ngiwashele, ngiphekele, cleanele.
Ungijabulise nje.
Ngani phela ngemali?
No.
Being with you, izinto engizikhulumayo.
Go ba teng ga like presence ya gago.
Okay.
Yeah.
mara ke re anong a setse re le present ga go le ra le suffocatiza o sa kgona go hema
Hayi nje. Funa
wena ubelieve ukuthi umuntu wakho fanele abe nayo ayikho le ndaba ukuthi awusangihemisa kikho space
hayi ngoba ama weekend angithi ngiyahamba thola gore na lo tsamaya just like this week since re tsamile Friday
njengoba uthi ubona 3 days ungalali yeah ayikho ufeel sickish ne do you really feel sick even now ufeel ngcono ufuna ulala
nje.
Then now let's talk about that. When did you realize ukuthi wena okay what made you I want to start here what made you to be in love with that specific instrument ama-drums
angithi asikhulele kasi
yeah
khona le masangoma ko kasi
yeah
sinineng badlala dikupu ba di utlwa qene ke khuphuka le nna ke ya go teng ke ithuta sekupu ya bona ana kwenze tsamaya nga join ipostoli
okay
ngadlala isikupu sasepostoli from church yabona man lento le Black Motion bakhona udlala ama-drum music no man ngayetsa lena mele ngiyotshontsha yini iguphu kuphi esontweni no uthi ngikhona ungena kuphi egaming
okay
yeah
so John just group epostoli wayongena i-brass band
vele brass band bengisengidlalela kla
okay mara bungena scoop
ngingana next
manje awubhaqiwa ke manje esontweni ukuthi untshontshile
uyazi esontweni kukithi
mushimanona okay
hayi ngasitshontsha mina ngihamba ngayigigini bayabona nango bithi akemofeng kla ukuthi seba dumela go ke tsameka sona sinini mabakwatile ngibakwatisini bayasithatha angisakhona kwegigini no mele ngisenze ngisitshontshe
yeah
mele kusintsha kamabati akapho
khona lo mjita ka kopulo ngithathele sona ngale
esedi
yeah
abambe so tata ke slata ko wena
yeah
then later on ga tseba ga tsamaya ngizoku ke tla tlhalosa ke boya se ke kena ka sona
awushayo unani ngaleso sikhathi leso
ukushaywa gcineni ukushaywa
so ubungashaya
abayavasa nje
yabona mama le ndaba oba nomntana oyi1 ngoba uyathuka ukuthi uma umshayile uzofeinta or uzokubophisa ngoba uyi1 befanele ukuthi maye nomntana bayi5 akushaya ngempama uwelele even if ufeintile ukhona umunye ozosurvive but ke tell me what was that thing eyenze ukuthi ufeel ukuthi ananto ke ntswembuko yona because at some point phela sometimes utshelwa abantu sometimes iba feeling ekuwena because uyabona ukuthi kwamanje uzibiza ngocloaks the drama awuzibizi ngenyinto you want to be known that when you do ama-drums i-validation wawuthole kuphi of that to know gore ntswembu
emasangomeni ngikushasha akwedlula kumasangomeni because I was 10 years old nebalata abamvutha ukudlala ubadlala igroup sinangithi bambisa umuntu ubuyele ekhaya sibona lo nlata kwafihle bagaya mali uma 300 ka amukupa yabona ibusiness ithumile kayi
nyani
mangifika lapha bangibekela igroup ezi3
ufuna ukushaza ngesikhathi siwa
yeah ekibuhluka usi
la izandla ekuseni
hayi nenix idrum ithwana lichiraka andrande le girlfriend akayibulela lapho first wife idrum wena second noma ungangiyeka ngihippie ngapha
so you would choose drums over everything so now uma uqala usasemncane unjalo like wawungakhathali izandla lokho wenza phela la ukwenza sona umzimba or maybe because it's your calling you didn't care
ukhathala ukhathala mara asintwe galo
and then now waba advanced from ubuzangomeni to brass band and then from there manje so kuma giga serious ke manje so kuma giga serious
mara still ne brass band ngisayihamba nami
okay mawunesikhathi
no yeah 2 weeks ifela mungenze kusayo
So nenza njani nakhona niyenza via business wise, like maybe ngiyashada ngiyanibiza.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ma-funeral,
Yeah.
ma-tombstone. Then ha ne re bona re dlala moo le intanga tse tshwatsi siyilima ngithi.
Oh serious?
Yo.
Like banithathela phansi ngoba nenza brass band.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, ba criticize abangaka.
Mina ngiyawathanda nje.
Nina nawathanda bona.
Or ngoba i-aged. Oh, you mean people that you
Mama ngisemjiveni ke bona bayetsang bahlanyang kakhulu. Mangidlala i-brass band esonto bayabona lezi.
But mawudlala egigini maybe ushaya.
Kuhlanya bona kakhulu. Kuhlanya bona kakhulu. Tona sekasilam. Mama ngidlala lezi asesontweni amuthu wanadala wabona lezi ilima lezi.
And how do you take that though?
Like ngezi compliment please. It's fine. It's fine.
And then if you were to play another instrument besides drums, what else would you play? Let's say sengikubeke ngisibhamu ekhanda ngithi ntwana uyayiyeka idrum namhlanje, choose any instrument.
Saxophone.
So do you try to practice it sometimes?
Yeah. Yeah, saxophone, trumpet. Yeah. Angithi ngihlala nazo endlini.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sinini nginaligutswa leni kuto. Ay.
So iband esekhaya vele.
Sejardini, i-Bethesda Brass Band.
So lento lena izalwe nawe from ekhaya. It only makes sense now. And then ngifuna ke manje sikhuluma ukuthi now uTroxy sekayadlondlobala, uyarecognizewa kama big record labels, big guns and all that. How did you channel that for the first time? Because I know ukuthi kunale record label that you were sebenza nayo, isn't it? Are we allowed to call it? Okay, because angisho kuyibayi khona. Okay, so this big record label, when they came to approach you, babekubone kuphi? Or you went to them? Did you sell yourself to them, or they came to you?
Balatile go studio.
Okay.
Balatile go studio ke sebetsa le Proso.
Okay.
Then ba ka offer re tsebe next yona. Ya ga saena a re fitla go pele ba re sotla o.
Kanti lamaphutha lana amaphutha enze kanjalo ukuthi nina ama artists nivele nisayine without reading pros and cons, the fine lines, excitement.
Asazi next. Awasheba record label ke lebitso le legolo.
Yeah.
Wa bona ke a kena. Kanti re fitla go ba re user.
Zange nthole next. Like it must it next like
next.
What do you mean multi next? Because ama logistics isn't njalo or bazothi re tla tlole lata re tla romela koloi or niyazihambisa.
Sasihambisa re itsamaisa ba re lata again a re fitla go studio kwa banga re kwalla 2 days ka fe re bereka a ke re tsebe nix tshola go project re sia gona mo ha re gutlela seneng project se masterile se itladiwa go gigging ona re tsebe makama wethu yakho engomini wabo
akho mali
next
le 2 days nje banikeza ukudla nawe niyasho ukuthi hayi ezinye izinto sizoba right soon.
Guess wami no ngisebenzisa guess wami. Hey, it's bad.
And most of people are going through that, yes, it looks. But why you guys are you scared to call them out? Like njengamanje siyakhuluma yes, but awufuna ukukhuluma ukuthi abobani, to help another person not to fall from the same trap and nabo labantu laba abakruka abanye abantu to fix themselves ukuthi bayazi ukuthi bayaziwa lezi zinto abazenzayo.
Obvious abaningi sebakhulumile. Re tsabo suyo ba tlo re suwa.
And gape ke tlhaloganya because at some point in life you will still want to work with other big companies. You don't want them to say ha o vele dula bua batho maso maybe le rona tla retsa ya. Okay, I get it. But what did you learn from that?
Ska jagela dilo.
Yeah.
Sikajahelela.
So are you still signed under bona now?
No,
Okay.
I'm under by IP Media now.
Okay. And then into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi banani sign contract ya for how long nalabo bantu labana?
Papi,
The record label yaqala.
yaqala ukuyi 2 years.
So you had to remain for 2 years. Without signing anyone because of you still underborn. Were you still serving them? Or ulatlogela because abukubhadala mos?
Re qena re bona le gona go no itse a retseng. Ntwana a retse so. A re sa ba fa di music go. A re fitla go studio tsila project a re fetse. A re fetse until yena.
But how do you become compelled when they're not paying for your services?
As well as easy as injalo. Thola go editse project they want for the whole day. One fela go siele one.
La itsamayisa mo ka tšhelete alone? Or benisebenzela in your studio senu?
Sinini re ya ko teng, sinini re berekela ko rona kwa. Almost track tse ding re di eletsa ko studio sa rona. Ra itse tseo ke di hit tsa rona. Then re ka go sinini re tsamaya di project tsa kgale. A re sa bereka re tsamaya ka tsele tse re thomileng ka tsone.
Tse di snacks nyana tse le so
di sie gona mo. Siele tsone. But it's life.
And at least when I on early stages of your career, imagine if ubuse ulaphana phezulu and then you experience such.
Still mo. Le no gona motho nno ke lempina. Recently.
We ditseng o rekile pina.
O nno ke.
Serious?
Yo. Anga kena go YouTube pina teng tsa mena go mma. 165k.
Aw khalele go ibiza ukuthi into pina le.
Yona ngiyabiza wena man.
Wena man?
Ngiyenze no Zen. Leyo ngiyabiza waya. Ngiyenze no Zen usayine beka sayine under uJZQ.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ibe ingoma yakho?
Yeah, ingoma yami.
What are you doing about it?
Bathi siyekela ngithi. Mawubyasi. Ngazi ama managers odila nayo. Basadila nayo. Bayo nayi angikhalisa.
Very fresh le ndaba lena mfethu.
Itswile uzenu ikhiphile. Mangicela ukusayina no JZQ. Yaphuma ku album ya JZQ again.
So bayisherile.
Akitsebi, ke ntse re sa itsebeng. Kutshono gona le dropileng ke Zen, gona le dropileng ke mang? Ke Black is Brown.
Mara le industry bafethu kuyafiwa.
Isler.
Like you have to be careful about anything and everything. You shouldn't trust anyone.
Manye at least manager, ke manager
by IP Media, yes.
And ke khola le bona. Makhot manaka. Ba tseba from childhood ke kholela nda bona. So no ke mnati no. Se batho re kwanga ngopa.
Like inhliziyo yami ibhlungu yazi. Like ibhlungu, I was thinking of that record label le esingeke sikhona ukuyibiza ngegama, and then now this is another one.
Yebo. I-record label mina ngiyiblame yabo abatsebi next.
Yeah.
Ngiblame
the manager and
the
producer.
Yabo. Ngiblame yena.
Maybe if you were forwardele kuma executives akhe mhlambe kube yalungiswa. Because you cannot always work hard and then you leave izinto zilenga kanjalo.
Yazi inkinga yini? Sinini ngithola ngo like ngasenda email kakwa. Then bona batsebi next. So no mele ba dilele ma lezen. Eno go bontshana go motho o etsang one no ka straight. Nele motho re buang gona no ha sa bua. Like nasa
yeah ka sa communicate na ukhathe because of ukunokile ve.
Kahle. Ukuthi ke yengwa tseba. Mi banka ntumedisa lekwa then wa chiefta. Magafi.
I'm going to confront when about this whole thing.
Oh, hangata I'm confront mthu. Hangata.
Akaphenduli next.
Amayena izosiphatana.
Zen, how dare you? Shame on you. Shame on you. Yazi like baningi abantu, you know, kunenye out eKaslam. Ubhalela abantu abakhulu mfethu. Yababhalela yazi mara bamgayi next. And manje ngathi sekayahlanyanyana because makayixoxa indaba khona kunamuntu ombelievayo.
Eish. La abantu nabo bajaja.
None, I think nibanikeza a leeway. You allow them to walk away with such things because you don't expose them. You don't talk about it. Nivele nithi haya siyeke ngoba ninalenda ukuthi umuntu omkhulu nemali eningi, maybe wena you won't get anything out of it.
Yabo. The next thing bathu bashaba i-depression. Ngoba
Mm.
semuntu sekahlanya muhlanyiswa imali yakhe. Ebahana ngayo. Hayi. Zen sayicela.
Siyayifuna then
Sicela imali
please.
yethu.
Fat, cabanga.
Usithulile man, sicela imali yethu. Rawukopa hle.
So, from Friday, you've been kuma gigs.
No. Studio session.
Oh, when kuma studio session. So, mani kuma studio sessions, as long as the project ngingapheli anilali.
Asilala. Etsila siningi ngano aqoqa kuba mina.
Nikhohle futhi project ngiphinde ngibuyele kuyo.
Asikhohle.
Sengisho khona ukuthi maniphuza nicoxa nithatha i-break lapha.
Sithatha i-break.
But how has it been for you kule industry nje besides indaba yokunokhiwa? Do you feel ukuthi you doing something that is in your heart and you're healing from it and you believe that you're healing other people through it?
Yeah, ngiyabelieve. Mara sometimes ngokukhathala nawo nalokukhathala kona kanjalo.
Ngathi ungagive up.
Hayi ngathi ngingagive up mara anokwenzetsa motlhakana le batho ba right. Ba bona go ya. The music batla re faneng hope kaofela bona as a team.
Yeah.
As re tlile re le so re team e one. A re nyatsane re phela kaofela.
Yeah.
Kutsho go ntshungwe re etsa kaofela so never give up on batho ba.
Yabafana ya uyayazi ukuthi bathi music started in Africa, right? And you know what was the first instrument?
Yeah.
What was it?
Drum.
I love that. Every time I like to say this.
Yeah, it's a drum.
I like to say this because that's more than words. That's how they could speak spiritually through drums.
Nami yangenzala. Thola kwakidlala sinini thola kwethe imali. Eninye I never miss a beat.
What? Usemoyeni wakho nje that time.
Heaven.
Ulibala everything, ulibala gore ba go nokile, ba go patela di record label kana kweo.
Ah, what a ref. Ayona batlo ref.
I really believe that you need to do something about it, honestly.
Yeah. What yetsa Mr. M.
So how has it been ukuba nebayepi? I hear ukhuluma nge-support, nenza izinto ninonke and all that. Don't you feel sometimes overwhelmed? Ngapha you record, ngapha you still have to keep up with the label, ngapha you have your personal life, and how do you balance?
I think it's a fair easy. And it's a fair.
Do you get time to yourself though?
Yeah, during the week.
Okay.
During the week ngifuna nix ngihlanganisa music.
Okay.
Aya.
So you wenza during the week?
Ngimsebenzini,
Okay.
ngabuya spend isikhathi nomamami.
Nomuntu wakho.
Yeah, nomuntu wami.
How? Wangafuna ukuyisho le. How? And then where do you see yourself in the next coming 5 years with your craft? Because ama-drummers asinawo kakhulu, you know.
Hayi, ngilokhu ngiyabatshela na ukuthi re Europe
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah.
A 5 years ngapha soon.
Okay.
Soon. Plus ka piece re tsamanga ngayo na.
I love
Soon.
that.
Soon re tsamanga Europe.
If kungaba nabantu that you would like to play ama-drums for bona locally, ama-celebrity abo bani? That you would like to collab with them?
Moda.
Aish, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, Moda.
La muntu lana na uyayiphila.
Yeah.
Yes.
Udlala Thukzini.
Okay.
Bani. Abanye ngidlalile nabo. Yeah, Moda. Udlala Thukzini.
Yeah. And then international.
no Kelvin Moore.
Oh yeah. Hey, ngiyamthanda uKelvin Moore la ekhaya ne.
Yo.
I can tell now. Yeah.
Morena o.
And then internationally.
Karma. Wa bona taba ya go mamela music ya rona fela ampula. Karma. Internationally ya rona ke Black Coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mina I think ngafuna ukuthi udlale no Kenny G maybe.
Yo.
Kenny Latimo. Udlalela uKenny Latimo because unalo music o mina ngi-imagine lapho mina.
Yeah.
Mina ngi-imagine lapho ngikubona lapho. Mina ngikubona nje ulapho nje yabo.
Ke plan.
Ne?
Ke plan.
Yeah.
Mina ngizama nje.
Hmm. Hey. Trust me.
Ngikube Ratchet waya.
You cannot fanele ubonise lobu Ratchet mara ubonise ukuthi mara ngaba usoft yazi mangithola umuntu ongenza soft. So I want you to tell me, who have you worked with la eMzansi so far and uyasho ukuthi ya angisho nje kusho ukuthi abaningi sekudlalile nabo abobani sokuthi wasebenza nabo. You can mention a few mawungafuni babiza bonke.
Abanye sino like go reperekile ga kena go studio.
Yeah.
Sinini nang na DJ mangfika. Utshola go last time ngithumile ama Angelique.
Yeah.
Kadlala le Stoki. Stoki kidlalela na ka first gig yakhe. Mangicela ukujwanja ama drum.
And how was it, Vel?
It was nice.
Yeah. For sure namanje that's the first thing uyicabangayo kule journey yakho ukuthi uthi kile kacala ka pick off entswembu.
Yo.
Sivela Stokzini mfethu.
Stoki.
UStoki.
Angelique. Abangata. Abangata.
But your best performance so far?
So far? Oh. Nala uthi ngibonisa Cranky T.
Man?
Cranky T.
Okay.
Yo.
Cranky T.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of genre? It's
piano.
Okay.
Yo.
So that's the performance that you've enjoyed yourself with.
Yeah. Every time mangidlala ne Auxilia. Yo. Ay.
What makes him outstanding?
Young understand.
Okay.
What's it? Ako mo mela kwale. Mele ke nke break go kae wa bo. Wa tlhaloganya. Mano izinto esichangeile. Eish. Piano, I'll see you next time. Singdlali. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about it.
Yeah, ngithi sekibereka ke etsa 3 step no Afrotech.
Yeah, kulapho bengiya khona. Yini 3 step? I heard my brother talking about it ne ekhaya. Ile 3 step yile bokuhleli ngithukuthele. Oh, cause my brother ongimamelisa lo ngoma le ekhaya. Ngithi kuye, hayi ubhizi ngamapiano athi ngamapiano lana 3 step.
3 step.
Athi
Go fair.
That is why ibizwa nge 3 step.
It's 3 beats again.
What's the difference between you and amapiano? Because mina sound are the same.
Amapiano inama chords amaningi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that is what ku ne-HIV yakhona.
3 step. And mbatho basashebe ne 3 step yeza. So nomele before batho iphaphela
ngiqala nayo manje ne.
Siqale ngayo nathi yabo. Maybe kuyona retshwaretse nchelete.
Okay, then amapiano.
Yo.
I mean I sound are the same. Yeah. But there's always a plate for everybody nakuphi na ku-industry.
Yeah, mara yo sibaningi. Bantu bayekela isikolo.
Piano.
Bangata.
And what's your take on that? What's your take on kids? Okay, I'm gonna say kids because my son sekaqedile isikolo. What's your take in this thing yokuthi every child osesikoleni ucabanga ukuthi the only way to go amapiano ayeke nesikolo maybe uthola ukuthi uye wathola nje i-one pick inyani ingoma eyi-one and then abese ibona ukuthi they made it.
Eish. Nanthi ngikababulela yana ki. Mongathweli iphepha nje yabona matric ifela. Cause lena ke tolerate into utlogela isikolo. The next thing wabona ntho etsagala ngokona. O thola go signa ke batho ba go.
Eish.
Ka one track yona eo. The next thing mo fika phambili. O tlhagana di big fish go mo o pele go. Ba crash no. Melo ba re ka under pressure. At least mo ne phepha o tlo khona go batla mmereko o balancing music. Sinini na uthola amagigi.
Yeah.
O jam.
Sudlana.
Bazokukhumbuza endlini kwa usiyekile ngithi.
Eish.
Akune 10 rand ecarry no.
Eish.
Ana next.
So isikolo kuqala.
Isikolo.
Balance isikolo necraft yakho.
Yeah, necraft yakho after lapho uzoba mnandi.
And then how do you handle women?
Women.
I mean, we celebrate. How do you handle that? Because hopefully khona le ba ba sa khone le go itshwara. Ba tla go wena straight a re ka go batla wena. Ba tla nne motho wa ka. Ke batla go shape di drums tse tsa gago. Matsogo a wa shape di drums go di bonong tsa ka.
Eish. En khale re di bona. Tsholo mo ka khipeli be, ntshetswele. A shapa mo. Bona yo. I think I was cooking. Cooking. Nigga, I'm all flu.
Okay.
Like the supporters are like it's a mal flu. Like basankinga as a bad person.
Yeah.
But usually, man feel cooking. Banga the phone.
Okay. Okay.
Banga the phones are on the manager. Osala phone iwan shooter.
Okay.
Refuse performer. Maybe ngabuyela batho re qoqe ene no conversation e ke tlo qoqang le wena ka yona mele ba be balemo ba ba tlo everything kushone a kere
Hi privacy kanti kuphi?
No a kere di girlfriends tsa rona seneng di lwantsha bona go banyana ba bangata mo phone ya hlokisi yebo kutsho lona le tselza malena lo metsa
Mara kuyafana masunoma bangathatha ifoni yakho wena ungamnikeza if you interested ku girl uzomgaya inamba yakho uthi awumbhazi.
Yeah.
Wabona gore
Batswana mara otherwise.
But how do you handle and avoid the traffic and focus on your woman? I can tell.
Yo.
Sometimes it's too hot to handle it.
Yo. And uthole go ntshotse di etsagala so le fetso qabana le merena. Yo. I don't know why.
How easy it is for people like you play industry to maintain relationships, like stable relationships? Do you need to date someone who's within the industry, or you have to be transparent as you can and communicate with your partner?
I think mele tshole motho sites into it.
Okay.
Yeah. Industry nga batla ga.
Bye bathong.
Yeah. Inking thata bo.
Mara ngisho you speaking the same language, so uzo understand amount ye gigini angeke xabane, so utlo ratana le Slindile kana kwe wetsa eng she's a teller at bank. And then when o dula o bua ka di gig ha o khotli sometimes ning utla go saying na ke understand life e o mos.
Yeah, o tla nkhaba.
Se go khapa thato tlo borega ba se tla ba se tlhole bantsha matswele o tlo I can't breathe man suffocate.
Never. Motho ga o metsa go understand.
Yeah.
Go man go so a tlwaele di gig le na bona go no haya ma a ile di gig o safe o aya mo gaming yana ke mmale go thata stinging go fitlile maphorisa amshasha gone
heshilumlindi wambili ulaviwa me
awona mthoreka wa bona ba o tla ganyane papa
ngabona gore lona inkinga yenu ukuthi anithemba abantu benu.
No
phela it doesn't matter ukuthi because even if mhlambe ugela akekho segigini akekho ku-industry uyahamba emamall uhlangana nama-big guns sho ukuthi yena ugeli vele umuntu oyileyo type leyo ukuthi ufuna ilukuluku akanandaba nawe. It has nothing to do with gig because it doesn't mean ukuthi makayi-bank teller usli wakho i-bank teller ufika laphayana umutsipo or ustain okay ustain sekashonile but what I'm trying to say is kufika umuntu oyiphethe yonke ngabona gore abatla go coma utlo coma still because wena una ntho go reka
ngcono ocoma motho ke semtsebeng nagana o mo industry motho ke mtseba a re kena go gig kwa se shebana gampe ngcono come ba di-bank teller tsa ke ditsebe go tlhoko no o nkele ke motho motsebang yo
sho ukuthi ke wena noba ungathanda umuntu as long as ekule industry ngeke umpursue bathong
never uzothatha utonkela ke motho o tsheganle yena every day.
There's no need ya gore tsegele ene if motho o na batla go thathiwa o tla thathiwa anyway. It has nothing to do with that person that you know o wa ga go keno sileng hana musifa wa he
hana backbone
but in a nutshell do you think as South Africans we have to have most of what is this word facilities where abantwana bethu basemakasi they can come and learn music maybe? Do you think we need that? Because I feel ukuthi emakasi we don't have much activities. That is why gcina labantwana siba engage kuma bad habits because akunanto ba keep busy. Do you think we need such things kube ne mirumba laphana like izinto?
Tsona ga ditlhoka.
But do you understand ukuthi government wethu akayithathi serious art?
Art akayithathi serious.
And that's the only thing that can take our kids away from the streets. How do we channel that?
Now I was thinking to open a school, drumming school, then for the tourists, because you know that the tourists.
Yes, of course.
To hike go mining.
Yeah.
Nego to reka go di drum so then go de yo matel for start. Ya bana ba ka si drum. Ha di tourists di tlile ra itse le bona re keletsa sportnyana go di groundong. Then ba tlantse ba ruta di tourists go shapa di drum. Then re na le income ka ofela.
I like this idea. And I'm rooting for you. It should come to life. Because honestly speaking, like asinama activities emakasi, you know, nama sports complex wethu abawa renovate anymore.
No renovate kasi yo. Nobody renovate.
Baya yenza manje. Oh siyabonga finally.
Yo.
Finally. Kunini?
Least with the aerobics nyana.
We need that, trust me. And then into engifuna ukukubuza yona ke as wena umuntu oshaya ama drums and all that, right? Is there a time where you feel that you don't feel like playing but you have to play?
It's a
or uthola ukuthi lo muntu lona fanele usebenze naye awumthandi awumfili.
Besides ukuthi umthandi like
nyoso nje ufila ukuthi lo music nyoso. Have you ever been in a situation you have to play something that you play a drum no music obona ukuthi amari lo ufile lo and uzomosha le yami reputation because of uzongitheka along
ngapha lo muntu lo kubhatalile ukuthi wenza ingoma na uyayibona yazaghala yo.
But why don't you advise gore asiyone ena ntwana?
Obvious nalo motsa motho batho ba bangwe ba tumamela like ubona ka kwa monyatsa.
Okay.
Why nna ke se msebetsi wa ka ke a tseba.
Yeah, who are you to tell me? Okay.
Ene go patetse go go etseng.
Yeah.
O tlo dlala di drum mo pineng wa bona yo. This nigga.
And it will take along libitso la ka go nyoso nge ya.
Ke sia fela yalo aya sangina ke ba di credit.
Okay, you always tell them not to put you kuma credits ma uyazi ukuthi nyoso.
a se ka ngwala mo posting or mo cover art-eng ya pina credit tsa rona re tla di lata re ya sampo go registera pina.
Oh, okay. I
And
hear you.
sometimes tsone pina tse yalo ke tsona tse boomang fast.
Tsone dinyoso tse.
Nyoso serious.
I hear you.
Nyoso ke yone boomang like now. Maybe after 3 months se shebile 100 again. 5k views. Di subscribe maybe yona 5k wabo tsona tse boomang.
Wow. Mara lezi nizihlalela uthi hayi yabona yiyo lena ntwana yazi lena sothi nje siqede uyifaka wonke umuntu uzoyifatela nix.
Yo ngapho awagobala salere tsa pina eo. Sometimes music rona as the producer, the vocalist. Sometimes ingoma imnandi kithi kowena yomnandi. Yebo. Rona re console phenga obvious mina console utshepe music wa kama hey.
So what do you say, whatever that you make or you produce, post kuphela because awuyazi ukuthi yiphi ezokupop. That's what you say.
Ezokupopisa wethi.
So post kuphela.
Keep among. Sinini khipela hona di free tracks. Tse dingwe di fa di DJ. Ntwana go potla le pina ka. Ise stuff. We change something.
Because you don't know who say peso.
One track efela ya phuma kufeli. Ubuza kanje sobolaya.
And what's your take with this thing you would say? More especially see experience le nto le ngepiano. Like umuntu afika shaya enye hit the whole month nje siyahlanya ingoma khona silali. And then from there, they are nowhere to be found. Sekuphelile kanjalo. Phelile long. Uphelile like ingathi bi umlilo wamaphepha. What do you think goes wrong?
I think over too relaxed.
Or after leyo hit
after le uvelo relax. Ngithi na uzibona so big fish. Over relaxed.
So while usashaya hit hamba buyele studio yoshaya.
Ene hit e1 e12 kenya game elwantsha batho.
Yeah.
Once nini mo hitting maybe lo my 4. 2 inagana e batla di split tse ngata. Go feta
Baba. And akasafuni nibuyele studio yena u relaxile and when uyafuna.
Ene kanti lo muntu lo nimdinga ke yo le monoka. Eish.
And ke ena motho na etsa gore vele pina.
Oh.
Okay, I hear what you say.
Le pride. Ebatho bana le pride.
So just humble yourself.
Umpona lena ke humble.
You look smart, guys. Ngiyakuzwa mina. Ngiyakuzwa, and I like the idea of the lento ofuna ukuyiqala yesikole and drums. I'm rooting for you. And ngiyabonga ngokuthi nisiphi isikhathi akushema uyazi the way ubukhathele ngakhona uzuyalala yazi ngifeel bad ngithi yo but ushilo nje ukuthi namhlanje I'm gonna honor this day. I appreciate that.
Yazi nikuvuke mina kuqala.
Shame man.
Nemali late ka ufela ke nna first man ofitsa to you see.
And kile ka khuphula 1 hour because we're supposed to meet at 10 karai tla re etseng 11.
To city. 11 Tuesday.
Wow. And then into engifuna ukuyisho clocks ne. Yazi mos kunalento ukuthi there's that young clocks. Sometimes awunahana uramara wetsikile ka mo flop at clocks. What would you want to say to him? Uhlokgonolo. That one thing you feel gore ula mo bhaizisa ka yona and you want to apologize.
To myself. Smoking drugs.
Did you get there?
Yo. Lena ke fitlo no. Atse ba ke influencer go sekolo.
Did you get there? How old were you when you get into that?
16.
And what were you smoking?
Oh. Cat, Crystal.
And usawuqalile ama drums?
Ma drums.
Yeah. And kuthiwa zikunikeza energy, you don't sleep and all that.
Yikho lento le. Yeah, ukulala nyokulala. Ya go ba never go ba.
But awubine energy.
Energy energy thinking o tshwara dilo man.
Uba paranoid.
Yeah, awuhlaliseki.
Uba ne-paranoia. And how did the family take it?
I feel they might disappointed. Mangize nna ke itlogelletse na ka.
And how long have you been clean now?
No, 2018, 19, 20, 22, 25, 9 years.
Like ngiyathuka yazi. So wena uwabheme usasemncane.
Yazi ke kuskima batho ba bagolo.
And how did you manage to quit? Because abantu abaningi bathi akuyekeki. And mina ngiyabonga ukuthi wena at least uye waphuma kuleyo darkest tunnel.
Banamanga nalmanga ntwe ya tlogelega. The only thing.
And then you pay me for how long?
From 2016 till
2018, 2 years.
Yeah.
And then bungantshontshi wena ekhaya.
Next, angithi bengikhera ngisamangile ko school.
So wena ubusebenza imali yakho yekhere?
Yo, ke gatlhakantsha sinini. So bema lapha
school. You rather not eat.
Asikhathini sikhona.
Ubukhera imali nesikhathini. And then it didn't affect your studies academically, so zange idrop or something.
Antle kan batsa ntwe re tshone re use tsa eng. For go bala. Re ga bala sifuna uqala.
Yeah.
Di cross night re le di tshuma. Apa re tshwere gona le ba bagolo mo bona. Bona ntse re bala ka yona.
Like your seniors school.
Ntse re bala ka yona. So ne tsena e ba a norm. Tsena so itsuba le kae? Go kasi. Ma ke bone something go we tlogela ntse melo change di tshuma. Batho ba dulang bona fela ba tlogela ga di drugs.
And then ama cravings.
Una ma cravings. Akusinya go pele ntwe le ya.
Mara mos nabantu beCrystal bathi ayiyekeki.
Bana mma.
And then did they find out, your family, did they find out? Shame mama kanomntana oyi-1. Mama yabona ukuthi why ngithi ungabona umntana oyi-1. Yabo? Uphatha stress umntana oyi-1. Ngiyadlala. But yeah, how was it for them to find out, and how did you regain the trust back? Okay.
Yo. Abona ne ba disappointed, very disappointed. Then I shift a kulula le auswaka.
Okay.
Then auswaka na le shopo.
Ako tsepa ka tšhelete.
Again.
But I think those things as well, they work where you are shown that you are given a second chance. Because I think sometimes umungu vela kuyafana mos ngizama ukushintsha mara every time basa accuse mina. So kuyafana mos.
Le khona go ke tle ke spana go shop mbatseba like ke salesman. Kantle ke salesman.
Yeah.
Batseba kwa. Re rekisa dikota mo pele ga sekolo. Then bana ba sekolo ba batseba ke Klookstead drama bo. Ba tlo ka kota ga mon. At first in na go ba rekisa maybe a day ne nka etsa uma 500. Re ke thomo ba reka mo ne re thomo ne ba thomo ba la tšhelete. Wa bona go to re ditse mo 1.5. Go sana mo 1.6 wa bo.
Yeah.
Then sinin ke busy ke ploma ba tshwana mpia. Se ke itlwaetseng pia wa.
So kahle wena usubstitute from one substance to another. But awuphuzi njalo manje, right? Hayi, then it's fine. Because phela umuntu ophuza every day.
Every day. Umuntu shikayo. Mara weekend yanglo manje.
So weekend funeka uphuze.
No, mighty Friday nje ngiyalumeka yo.
But
yo. Ngeke yadikiki.
Yeah, vela kuba nzima noku-avoid.
Nini nakukhona.
So yakhona ukushaya idrama udakiwe?
Among tips.
Okay.
Sengicedile.
Okay.
Serefeditse mmereko. Maybe are gigging are mo tsileng ka maybe ka no ma 2 years gore if re no botlolo ma 2 cups.
Okay.
Mangene gigging amanzi. with energy drink.
Yeah.
Then after more, if sneaky get one after more, I have $2. I have $2.
And then how is your woman taking it? Usegigini, ngaphi uyatawu. Siningi awutholakala efonini.
Kwato omunye umntwana.
Mara uyayibona mara. Utlomuluza wait.
Eish. Amalene otlabaluzithe.
That was so cheesy. I like it.
Yo,
Now naye uzoluza okusalayo.
naye uzoluza. Like akamthwara grand.
Unkarabile.
Yeah.
So uyasho ukuthi into ofuna ukuxolisela kulhlohonolo ukuthatha ama drugs.
Thatha ama drugs kuphela.
Yeah. And then what is it that you want to be proud of? Umtshele ukuthi intwana ngiproud ngawo.
Proud ngami because I'm 9 years sober now. Po.
You did well.
Yeah.
Because abanye akuna comeback. I'm telling you.
Especially wabona abanyana. Yo.
Yeah.
Abanyana never. Asabuya uziba asabuya.
Akuna comeback.
Yeah, the
Your mom is so blessed. Your mom is a praying warrior. Yeah. She's
That's
so
why
blessed.
That's
La mama leyo blessed because trust me, abanye abantwana bahamba forever. Instead of mawuphuma kulo khethi neCrystal ufuna more and more and more and more, you want to experiment all of them ugcine sewungena nakwinyawo phela. But do you think nayo inyawo ayiyeke vele njengoba uzothi iCrystal neKhet asiyinyawo?
Inyawo kabantu bathwele ngithola umuntu ile rehab abuya wathi
waphuminda futhi ipoison nje enepoison
yiyo ne down ke.
So iyakulimaza ifuna uyobuyela because of
it's like uhleli nenyoka.
But Hlonol, is there anything mhlawumbe ubufuna si add and then ama projects that you're working on manje uthe you working on it 3 step? Yeah. We should just watch out.
Yeah.
And then your social platforms?
Facebook, Hlokste Drama, Instagram, Hloni Matlala, then TikTok, Hlokste Drama, WhatsApp, private.
And then are you open for bookings?
Yeah.
Okay. Mina ngicela uyibiza ke because ngiyazi number yeba yipi.
Yeah, maybe.
For ama bookings guys, you can go niyo ufumana ubhuti obizwa ngokuthi uKhotso ku 073 003 0109. It's 073 003 0109. Iba yepi media kulapho uzomthola khona ke na uTlokes. uTlokes wakhona ke guys, it's HLOX yes. The drama.
Yes.
The drama. So he's open for bookings and nama social platform wakhe ezebewabizile. Siyabadinga abantu abafana nabo guys. Njengoba sisho ama project wakhe and go just new check out ukuthi udume ngani lo bhuti lona. Udumile njengoba nisho ukuthi hloshapamo. Matsoga gagwe a busy a khona go etsa di sounds la utlwa mos.
Yeah.
Can you give us a word of the day?
Word of the day. Word of the day. Ska robala mo talenteng ya gago.
Ska robala ko talenteng ya gago. Other people, they don't even believe that they have talent.
Yeah. Bible ya sho gore kaofela re tswetse rena le talent.
Yes.
Tsila wa di oketsa ore o robala mo yona.
So ungalali ku talent lakho.
Talent yakho.
Ungalali ku talent lakho. Uyasibona namanje sihleli lana nama talent wethu.
Yabo.
Izolinda.
Never go tsiba wo.
Uyayifana le nto le. But thank you so much man and keep on and keep on. And maybe one of the good days you need to open a platform where you talk about it's possible to quit bad habits. Akitsi ge because o tswa go bua. Mara
a ke tswa fa itse go bua.
Ke ka je go fela.
No, besides.
Or ke di camera.
Camera great. Camera.
I could say we fella, but what I'm trying to say is you'll never know who you're gonna touch. Other people, they need to hear what it's possible because of maybe so maybe you need to open something that says it's possible to quit bad habits. Yeah, one video at a time, one person. Yeah, thank you so much. And guys, ndizophinda futhi ndisho ndithi ndiyabulela for support yenu, ndibulela kakhulu njengangoku uba khange usubscribe, shame on you. Subscribe ngoku, ulike, ushare yonke into guys enibona ukuthi uClocks khange ndikwazi umbuza yona kuma comment section izoba khona, he's gonna answer that. Ngoba maybe sikhona izinto mina khange ndimbuze zona, but it was really nice, ungihlekisile. Sinthanda kakhulu emakhaya guys, be kind to one another and we out.
Yeah, from style mokgotsi aka ke itse tla bo shebile mo tsebe ka fatela betesta yonke kumkwa batla yonke nani basendlini mipa ki yo mongana lona. I'm doing it now.
Awuphinde ushayela aka yakho leya le ngwana umushimano Des.
Oh, this is your boy Clocks the Drama, mshimana mogopa mshimano tak mshimano Des. Haksio Des ke we taxi we take try.
Asi dry you smooth. Siyabonga kakhulu guys, we out.